Discover the best headphones of 2023, featuring top-rated wireless headphones, noise-canceling technology. If you crank your tunes up to drown out the world around you, it's possible you're deafening yourself slowly. In order to avoid doing this, a set of noise-canceling headphones makes your music far easier to hear and prevents the need to turn your music up to a high volume and premium sound quality. Dive into our headphone reviews for detailed insights on comfort, design, and durability. Upgrade your audio experience with these cutting-edge tech gems. After hours of research and after taking expert advice, we have listed the top 5 best products in this video. The links for the product mentioned in the video or in the description box below that help us to you find the best one for your budget. Number 1. The Phonicrit SE7 Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Bluetooth Headphones provide crystal clear calls and immersive sound quality. With its noise-canceling feature, you can enjoy your music without any interruptions, even in noisy environments. Crystal clear and stable hands-free calls. Lightweight and comfortable design for all-day listening. Impeccable sound quality for a truly immersive experience. This headphone's lightweight design and super imitation protein leather make for a no-pressure and comfortable fit, so you can wear them all day long with ease. These headphones have a battery life of up to 30 hours, and the adjustable headband ensures a more comfortable fit. The package includes SE7 headphones, charging cable, 3.5mm aux cable, user guide, and portable case. Number 2. Beats Solo 3 Wireless On-Ear Headphones are the perfect everyday headphone with up to 40 hours of battery life, adjustable fit with comfort cushioned ear cups, sleek and durable design, and premium playback with fine-tuned acoustics compatible with iOS and Android devices. Fast fuel, 5 minutes of charging gives you 3 hours of playback when battery is low. Adjustable fit with comfort cushioned ear cups, sleek, streamlined design that's durable and affordable. Take calls, control your music, and activate Siri with the multifunction on-ear controls. Featuring the Apple W1 chip and Class 1 wireless Bluetooth connectivity, these headphones are compatible with iOS and Android devices and allow you to take calls, control your music, and activate Siri with the multifunction on-ear controls. Number 3. The Beryps Bluetooth headphones are a great choice for audiophiles who want a variety of sound modes to choose from. With 6 EQ modes, you can switch between balanced sound, extra powerful bass, and mid-treble enhancement modes. The headphones are also incredibly lightweight, making them comfortable to wear all day. Plus, with 65 hours of playtime and a standby time of over 950 hours, you won't have to worry about running out of battery. The latest Bluetooth 5.1 chip ensures fast and stable connectivity, and the built-in microphone allows for hands-free calling. Beryps also provides a 1-year money-back guarantee and 3-year warranty for added peace of mind. Number 4. The Soundcore Anchor Life Q20 Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling headphones are a great value for the price. They have a high-quality feel and look, and the sound quality is good. The noise cancellation works well, but there is some minor white noise. High-quality feel and look. Good sound quality, noise cancellation works well, excellent battery life, comfortable to wear. The battery life is excellent, and they are comfortable to wear. However, there is some interference with other Bluetooth or Wi-Fi devices, and the plastic parts of the headphones can make noise when moving your head. Number 5. New products. K11 Foldable Stereo Headphones are designed for kids age 3 and above. With padded soft cushions and an adjustable headband, these headphones provide a comfortable fit. They come with a 5 feet long nylon braided cable and are compatible with all 3.5mm audio jack devices. These headphones are perfect for online school, training, and airplane travel. The foldable design makes them easy to store. They come with a 24-month hassle-free warranty and easy-to-reach customer service.
If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like our video.